Hello and welcome. So guys, today we have a new pack that just arrived. This is a very nice kit from Hummelink-Modifications, and what it is basically what my Miata needed for quite some time now, and that's the COPs, that's coil on plaque. So basically this kit it's coming from Netherlands, which is a good thing for Europeans as well, so save on taxes. And it comes with basically everything that you need, along with the connecting plate. So let's get into it. It's coming in a well secured box. Packaging is nice. Comes with a Hummelink-Modifications brochure. Let's see what's in it. Most probably it's the manual of what we're gonna need to do, or it's just a brochure. Looking nice there. Very well. So the first thing, as we see here, is the harness. Looks like it's for 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that's the harness for the 4 coils, adding up to the original OEM connectors on your MX-5. Let's just have a nice look into it. Seems to be in a very good condition, very good quality of build. All the connectors are brand new. Nicely done. So the next thing that we have is the coils themselves. So these coils, they are basically Toyota, not OEM, they seem to be aftermarket. As you can see, there is a code where this is something that we need to test to see how strong they are and how long they're gonna last. And we have just another 3 in the box. And of course, we have the mounting plate. Wow, that is freaking awesome. Now, the mounting plate is brushed aluminum with the threads, so you can thread on the coils. As you can see here, has a very nice logo of the brand. And what I found very interesting and very useful is that foam here that will of course prevent any sounds in your engine bay from having, and protection as well from having metal to metal contact. And that's basically it. Now guys, I had a good chat with the owner of this company. His name is Niels. He's a very cool guy. He always responded to my emails and Instagram as well. I will drop the links below. This is not a sponsored video, of course, but this guy is amazing. He provided me with every single detail. One thing that you need to know, and it's very important, on your MX-5 you have 2 options for the coils. You have the wasted spark and the sequential spark. You need to make sure that you will let the company know exactly what you need to order. Another thing that they mentioned in their website is the wiring harness is of course for a 1.6, with another option of 1.8, and that's for NA, and for NB as well, 1.6, 1.8. Now there are cases that the 1.8 engine has been an upgrade in your 1.6 chassis, which will make some difference in the order. If you're using the original wiring harness, you need to choose for a 1.6 wiring harness with a 1.8 adapter plate. So these are all information provided here in the website. Okay, if you scroll down into product details, and of course what's in the box is also mentioned. Okay, just remember those coils and this kit basically will not fit the 1.8 VVT engine, okay, because it's a different valve cover design. Basically that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will test them, I will keep you updated, but of the quality that I see here, my thoughts are that this is gonna be an amazing experience to install, and of course I'm gonna get to enjoy more horsepower on my MX-5. Thank you guys, till the next one.
Check it. Check it. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out.